All right, here is our lesson 32 phonics. Say scab. Drop sk. What's left? Ab. Say Scott. Drop sk. What's left? Ought. Say scam. Drop sk. What's left? Am. Say scrap. Drop sk. What's left? Wrap. Say scope. Drop sk. What's left? Ope. Say scum. Drop sk. What's left? Good job. Let's read our sentence. Ready? The bird tried to catch flies. So today we are going to look at words that have inflectional endings, words that have endings like try. In this word, we added ed, so it's tried. And flies is another one. Flies is another one. And the word would be fly, and we added es to it. So let's practice some words. Ready? Read. Try, tries, tried. Ready? Hurry, hurries, hurried. Excellent job. And let's go ahead and do our phonics. Here we go. Ready? Ez, der, I, ul, dull, tull, oo and ed, t and d, gl, ah, oo and you, ah, n, I, e, pull. Excellent job. Now let's go ahead and read our words. Ready? Look, sound, st, ain. Read, stain. Look, sound, l, I, t, id. Read, lighted. Look, sound, d, is, e. Read, dizzy. Look, sound, sk, oop, ing. Read, scooping. Look, sound, e. Read, rainy. Look, sound, I. Read, try. Look, sound, o. Read, no. Look, sound, ow. Read, now. Look, sound, it. Read, might. Here we go. Look, sound, ilk. Read, milk. Look, sound, eek, e. Read, leaky. Look, sound, I. Read, sty. Look, read, earring. read clearing. Look, sound, I, t, e, read mighty. Look, sound, smaller, read smaller. Look, sound, bright, read brighter. Look, sound, I, read spy. Here's our last sets of words. Ready? Look, sound, apt, read wrapped. Look, sound, it, ease, read kitties. Look, sound, cried, read cried. Look, sound, Ike, read Mike. Here's our 2 bonus words. Ready? Look, sound, crisp, read crispy. Look, sound, and ease, read candies. Excellent job. Now we are going to do our syllables. Here we go. This word is number. Snap it. Number. It has 2 syllables. The first syllable is num. The next word we have is public. Snap it. Public. Our first syllable is pub, and our second syllable is lick. The next word is thinnest. Let's snap it. Thinnest. It has 2 syllables. Oops, sorry guys. It has 2 syllables, and the first syllable is thin. We split that between the 2 ends if it's a double the consonant. Our next word is forget. Snap it. Forget. It has 2 syllables, and our second syllable is get. Our next word is bedtime. Snap it. Bedtime. Remember, bedtime is a compound word, so we always split our words, if it's a compound word, between the 2 words that make up the compound word. So bed would be our first syllable. Great job. Now we are going to write our phonics words. So number 1 is going to be sunny. So here we go. Let me get my pen. So we have S, which is S. U. And then sun. And we're going to double the consonant. And then remember, an E at the end of a word is Y. So sunny. The next word we have is sail. So A. And I hear an A in the middle of that word. So it's going to be AI says A. And sail. There's an L at the end. The last word that we're going to write today is dry. Dur, remember, is a D and an R, says dur. And I at the end is a Y, says I. We're going to actually write one more word for me today. We're going to write bright. A burr sound is a B and an R. Burr, I. And remember, we practiced this in our last lesson. An I can be an I, G, H, says I. And I hear bright, a T at the end. Good job. Excellent job today for phonics.